Okay, this is a small pad. Let's say we just pulled up on the job, we're getting ready to pour. I'm going to show you how quick we can set up a roller screed. Let's go the other way for pulling. We'll have to drill on the right reverse. That's it, ready to go. Add concrete, just keep rolling until it's nice and flat. Very quick. Okay, the way we would set this up is I would have the motor of your roller screed on the outside of your mud. So we're going to pour this section first. So we're going to keep the roller on this side, and then we'll roll out this section. If you're using an electric one, you'll have a cord. If you're using the hydraulic screed, you'll have your hoses. And so if you pour this way, always keeping this outside of the mud as you move down, it keeps your cords or your hydraulic hoses out of the mud. So plan that out. These will spin both ways. There's a forward and reverse on these drills. The hydraulic screeds spin both ways, so it doesn't matter which side they're on. We try to plan it out so your motor side is always out of the mud the best you can. If you're pouring inside of a basement, you're pouring in tight areas, sometimes it's hard to do. But in this situation, this is exactly how we'd set it up. We'd pour this section first, pull it down, shift over to the next section, pull it down, trying to keep our motor out of the mud.